Recording is off.
Okay. So now, still we have to wait. Only we have one that is yeah, Sarah, yeah. Yeah, so
Hello.
our speakers are connecting with us. Yeah.
Okay. So we have to wait.
And now I request all speakers, please turn off your audio. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now, Mr. Pankaj, you can start.
Okay. So welcome back after a little break. So I think I forgot something. Miss Sarah, are you ready as a timer, as a timekeeper?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So let's go to Mr. Ashok Maurya. Please, Mr. Ashok Maurya, Mr. Silent Killer, please come on the screen.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Pankaj Udaipur. And thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. Sir, today's topic is very unique. Yesterday you told about this, and after the session, I am started thinking about this. So that what is my identity? Till now, I don't remember who am I. So after thinking, so I want to tell something about my personal identity. So, sir, what is first question is that who am I? Sir, I am a student basically, uh, currently preparing for a UPSC civil services examination and want to do something for the nation and for the needy people. And sir, your second question is, are you the same person who was 10 years ago? So, sir, no. Earlier, I used to be a stubborn and shy and think about myself only. And when I committed any mistake, then I try to blame others that due to you, I failed or what will happen. Then I blame others. And the third question is, have you changed your identity? Yes, sir, surely I tried to change my identity. And sir, now I try to learn more from failure than the success. Mm, it helps me to improve myself. So your fourth question is, do you want to change your identity in future? Yes, surely, definitely, I will change my identity. As we all know that changes are the law of the nature, and I also like the changes. And it's our duty to move with time. And fifth question is, what should be your identity? So it should be my identity should be that this person is always ready to help those who are really in need and always try to bring happiness in other faces. Uh, and the last question is, uh, what do you do to change your identity? Sir, I always try to learn, ready to learn from my mistakes and try to improve uh, better. So that's it, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, very nice, wonderful. You cover all the topic, all the questions of our show. So for Ashok Maurya's speech, I would like to go to our most likely judge, Mr. Nageshwar Rao. Please comment on his speech.
Thank you, sir. Spoke about his experience, how he was in his childhood. Because in our childhood, everyone made mistakes, and after we changed, that is important. We are always not in the same place. We have to change. We have to change our behavior. He also changed his behavior, and he has a goal to get UPSC. He cracked the UPSC exam and serve the people. That is wonderful dream. I think he will definitely get his identity as a UPSC cracker. All the best to you. Very nice.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Also
Mr.
for my
Nageshwar sir.
good wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so let's go ahead. After Ashok Maurya, I want to go to our new speaker, Mr. Yogesh Mishra. I can say Mr. Patanjali from last episode. So Yogesh Mishra, please come.
Thank you, Pankaj Bhai, and good evening, sir, and good evening to all. Actually, today's topic is a very brainstorming topic. It shaped us. We should think about yourself. We always think about the other person, but now the time we should think about yourself or myself. So the first question was the who am I? So frankly, now the time I am nobody, but I want to learn something. I want to do something which can give my identity. So easily we all known by our name. Okay, it's not identity. According to me, identity should be known by other person. Who are you? Just like our weekend institute, we all have know who are you. The second was the are you the same person who was 10 years ago? But according to me, not exactly. No one can be same. The time teaches us many things. We change by time to time. We have to change because change is the necessary. If you want to live here and you want to do something, then change is the compulsory. Sorry. And according to after struggling, you can study. Okay. And have you changed your identity? More of now, yes, I have changed my identity because it's a very hard time. Especially we believe on others easily, but now you can't believe on others because it may be harmful for you. So you should stand for yourself and do whatever you want to do and do it independently. Don't be depend on other person. Okay, then it will also create a one identity for you. Yes, he is the independent person. And the last, do you want to change your identity in future? uh, about that, I want to say, I think in identity change is not a good prospect. If I will always change my identity, so it will be hard to get a belief. Other person will, I should, but I'm what I think, we should change our habit to improve yourself. Don't change your identity. If you are known by, like for the example, if you are the person who is stand for your word, but if you change that like that in a positive way, then it will destroy your identity. So we should change our identity, but for the negative things. Yes, he is a good person, he is like that. And what should be your identity? So according to me, my work should be my identity. What we are doing, that should be our identity. As earlier sir also said, the identity should be immortal. And what do you do to change your identity now? In frankly way, in case
Time
of
is
change,
over, sir. Time is over.
Okay.
it was the last.
Yeah, complete Yogesh Mishra now.
Okay.
Last question is over. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah.
Let him. Yeah.
I don't change my identity. I want to change my habit, which can be which can be more powerful for me, and which can be give me good success. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
very
you.
nice. Thank you very much, Yogesh Mishra. And I use something unique sentence or something unique word before invite some person or invite someone here, because today's topic is identity. So I also want to I also try to use some identity, some features of that person. So I'm using this type of words before inviting you. So I would like to go to judges for briefing Yogesh Mishra's speech. So I would like to invite the winner of knowledge, Mrs. Jaya ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And surely you invited him, and as a Patanjali, it is his identity. It has become his. It has become his identity, and throughout our program, he is popularly known as Patanjali. So please put his name, and he wants to change his identity, but now we want to change his identity, Patanjali. So we call him Patanjali, and he spoke very well, elaborated. He has covered all the points, and so he said one thing that he wants to change his identity. That means his habit fixes our identity. That means we don't want to change our identity. If we change our habit, then our automatically our identity will be changed. And he wants to work hard, and it is his belief that his work is important. Whatever you do, whatever the work you do, and you will be popular by that your work, if you work hard. Because to be honest worker, a hard worker. So, and yes, he wants to change. And you know, in the world, among all the creature, human being is the most rational being, and he's changing a minute by minute by minute. We are changing. Maybe our outward, whatever it may be, our difficulties or our experiences, or when we watch a movie, when we read a book, or we nowadays some motivational speakers. So we are changing minute by minute. So I think it is it will not take 10 years, but yesterday what we were, today we are not that. Yesterday. So one day we will change our thinking and our attitude towards some others. So all this will change. So he also mentioned that. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Patanjali.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Good.
So, so as I told, well of knowledge, Jaya ma'am, I think I'm very right. You have lots of
Absolutely
knowledge.
right. You are absolutely right.
Definitely.
Yeah. So now time to move on. So in between us, there is a person, there is a lady who are nominated as Indo-American, right? If I'm not wrong. So a lawyer in between us, Miss Ila Rani, please come on the stage and give some light on your speech of identity.
Thank you, Pankaj, for inviting me. And good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Today topic is seriously very different topic. So I want to start my topic with connecting to Joy ma'am's speak that she said like every minute we change our thoughts. So I want to start my speaking. I start my topic from my childhood. When I was a child, my mother is also a government worker. So when I saw getting any sick and suffering in fever, I did not find my mother to look after me, because she have to go outside to done her work. So that make me feel like when I will grew up, I have child, I will not able to look after them. If I got a job, then I decide no, I will be a housewife. I will take care of my children, and I will be at home. I will take proper care of my children. So when I saw movies, I found when I saw girls talking, having a advocate career, so that's make me like, no, I will be a advocate one day. So those things come into my life after completing my graduation. My parents thought to get me married because some of health issues, they were thinking, no, we have a one daughter, we will give her mm, will
Suitable person.
yes, yeah. So they were planning to make me get me married, but I decided, no, I will not married, I have to be something to for myself. That time I realized, when I complete my graduation, that time I able to understand what is the value of your identity and what is the value of your self independence, to be a self independent person. So after that, realizing this, I wanted to be work on my dreams. So after completing my graduation, I told my parents, no, I will not married, I will continue my study. So after that, I get admission in banking course, but that not make me happy. I feel, no, this is not the thing I wanted to be, I want to be a lawyer. So after that, already told my story how we get in my career. And now I can say, yes, I have get a platform to make a, identity for myself. But unfortunately, I came here, I did not knew that my life will change that way. So now I am staying here as a housewife and
Time
trying to
is
make
up.
an identity. Okay.
Time
Thank you,
is up.
but
Yeah, carry on, carry on. We have a less
yeah.
speaker today, so carry on. Yeah, timekeeper is
Very
doing her
interesting.
job perfectly. Very nice, Sarah. Superb.
Yes,
Interesting,
sir.
interesting.
So I did not know I will come here, but when I come here, I saw, no, I cannot do my profession, so I choose to be a YouTuber. I started a YouTube channel to share my travel story, to my thoughts, my cooking, what I have, my own creativity. So not getting like I cannot do anything, complaining over my life, I started a YouTube channel. So also I wanted to be a good lawyer, because my husband also support me. He did not want me to make money through my profession. He always influenced me to study. And when we move India, you should work for women's right and to fight for poor people. So I will do that, and I think I will make a good identity for myself in my professional in advocate, sir. So this is all, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you all to listening me.
Okay, thank you very much. I think I have lost my connectivity when I call you. So I want to say you are very good and you are very good lawyer. We always said one day you will become a good lawyer. And
Thank you.
you always ready to speak whatever topic whatever topic our show given you. So I would like to invite Kalpana ma'am to give some speech on Ila Rani's speech.
Ilarani is really getting improvement, and
Thank you.
as we all know, she is a really good lawyer, and I think in future she will help me, because I am going to run my NGO and want to some
Definitely,
needy
ma'am.
people, and I want to fight for people, or women actually. So she's really getting improvement and nicely narrated. It's okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kalpana ma'am. So there I want to ask a question to all of you. When we joined first time to the show, and now we are on the track. So what is the changes we found in us? That is also kind of identity of any person. So now we are confident in English. Day by day we become perfect in English. So sir, thank you to Mr. Prakash sir, and thanks to all to
Definitely.
give us a new identity from this show.
And I
Sir,
also want
Thank you
to
very much.
Sir has transformed us, totally transformed.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So move ahead for next session.
Yeah.
Over
So,
to Mr. Prakash sir.
yeah. So please invite Nidhi, then Anuj, then Ravindra.
Okay, sir. So I would like to invite Nidhi. Come on the stage, come on the screen, and
Okay.
brief your identity in front of us.
Good evening to all of you. So, as we all know that today's topic is little bit difficult and it's hard to express in words. So, if I talk about myself, and there is no such a special identity for mine, but I am working on it so that I make my own identity and I recognize my special identity. So, as we all know that everyone works very hard so that they make own special identity and whatever achieve whatever they want. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Very nice. In short, you explained very much. So I would like to go to Mr. Prakash sir to brief something about Nidhi's speech.
Okay, first of all, Nidhi, thank you very much for joining us and sharing your experience about your identity. I think I like one thing very much about you. You want to make your own identity. So really, you can
Yes, sir.
and you can make your identity, because one day you are going to die, but your identity will never die. Okay?
Yes, sir. So I want to ask something.
Yeah.
So what are the first step you took for improve your English? Please share your experience.
Okay, Nidhi. Okay, in 1 minute, let me tell you. Just I listen and I speak. Whether I make mistakes or not, I never think about other people. They are finding my mistakes or not. Because I know one thing, making mistakes, you can correct your mistakes. But if you are afraid of making
Yes, sir.
mistake and you will never try, then you can never improve yourself. Okay, so this
Yes,
is the
sir.
main technique
Yes,
of
sir.
learning English.
And I also want to thank you, sir, for starting this platform.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining us also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pankaj.
Okay, thank you very much, Nidhi. Thank you, sir. So now I would like to go to Delhi, our capital boy. Anuj, you are very joyful. So I want to go to our Bharat's capital. Please, Anuj, come on the screen and brief something about your identity.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. And I'm grateful that I'm getting a chance to speak in front of you. So that I directly came to the today's topic, the identity. I will start with a little bit definition of what is the identity and yes, what is the identity? As we know, there are identity has been explained and defined in many theories, and in theories they relate the identity with the nationality and uh, our our community and but we say um, I forgot the word that yes our religion also but in my opinion but I think that the identity is everywhere in our life. It can be good or bad according to the person who is he or she, and as and we all also relate the identity with someone's behavior, the person have experience in their life, and how how he communicate with the person surrounding him, and the decision he takes whatever the decision he takes, reject in his life. So this is the definition according to me, the identity. And if I talk about my personal identity, uh, but according to me, my identity relate to a my social life, how I um, how I meet my relatives, my neighbors, and my colleagues in my social life also. Uh, it's directly impact on my life and my character also. So um, and the next question I would like I would go directly. That is the wait a minute, sir. Uh, if I talk, the question is, um, I am the same person who was a 10 year ago. So I would say I'm not the same person. Internally and external, I'm changed now. Uh, if I talk about my external, if I talk about my physics, I have changed many different I have seen in my life. I have a and a little bit grown now. Now I'm grown up, and my internal characteristic, I have become more mature. I can take my own decision in my life, and um, now I know what should I do, what is good for me, and what is bad, what is bad for me. Uh, should I continue, sir?
Yeah, you can continue, but conclude it.
Okay. And the next question is, sir. I forgot. I lost that question. And the next question is, have I changed my identity? Yes, I would say, as I said before, lots of things had changed in my life. Um, before I was a student, but now I'm a student as well as I'm working with a company. So I see many changes in my life, and the next question is, do I want to change my identity in future? Yes, I would like to change my identity. uh, I think I have in my life, I have to achieve many things, and I am working on that. uh, I have told many times in previous session, I'm learning a language, that is the French language, uh, and I think that will improve my personality, um, and open the door for the new world for me. Uh, if I want, because I want to work a multinational company, or so that I can improve, I can give a better life to my family, and and I also want to help. Uh, Before I don't think that I did when I didn't join your session. I didn't think that I should help to other person, but now I think when I become a fluent in English, I will also try to open a Zoom session like you, and I will also give I will also give a free classes to people so that they can also become, because in India, I think there are many people they cannot pay a big amount of in an institution.
Hmm.
In that, I count myself in that also, because I have not enough money to pay. Uh, and
Very nice.
I thank sir. You gave a platform to us so that we can improve our English also. So that's it, sir, for today's my today's topic.
Good, good, good,
What
good.
I want to.
Okay.
I
Okay.
after
Thank.
a long time I talked. I guess I 2 or 3 days. Uh, um, later I talked here, so I'm more nervous, sir.
Okay.
There's
I
a
also want to
Thank
do.
you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, Anuj. Uh, your speech was very nice and very practical. So for Anuj, I want to go to Miss Kalpana ma'am. She is also like our Mother Teresa ma'am, because she runs NGO also, and she always try to fight for a person as she told us. So Kalpana ma'am, please.
Thank you, Pankaj. As Anuj said, he's right. Sir inspired us, all of us, and he wants to make a Zoom meeting is like sir. So that's a very good idea. And you, hello,
yeah, carry on.
hello. Okay, you, as Anuj said that he is little bit nervous, but I observe that you are improving day by day and speaking, speaking very well. That's good. That's all.
Okay.
next
Thank you,
time I
ma'am.
will try to speak much better, sir.
Sure, we all are
Yes.
trying.
Yes.
We have 6 minutes
Thank you
left,
for
Okay.
the
and
Thank you,
we
ma'am.
want to
Thank
invite
you to.
our last speaker.
Okay. So I think all the speakers are completed for today. So I would like to go
Ravindra,
to
Ravindra.
Mr. Prakash sir.
No.
Sorry.
One speaker is left. Ravindra Prayagraj.
Okay. I'm sorry. So I would like to go to Mr. Ravindra. Please come on the screen and give your identity in front of us.
Hi everyone, good evening, and thank you, sir. You have given me this opportunity to speak on this platform. I'm highly obliged for this, sir. And I am joining this session from 2 days, and I didn't find chance. And today I got chance, sir. I'm very happy for that. And when we talk about the identity topic as you have choose for today, then in the starting I was thinking what should we speak on that, and it was a little bit hard for me at that time. But after thinking about myself, I thought this is very good topic, because at least I will find out something about myself, that who I am. Yeah, and what I want to do in my future. And at least if you will think about myself daily a little bit, then and I can improve about myself. Yeah, so I thought this is very interesting topic, sir. And when we talk about myself, uh, in the starting from my childhood I wanted to become an engineer. That's why I choose this profession, engineering. And now I completed my engineering. After that, from Prayagraj, and I shifted in New Delhi, and here I prepared for GATE and state engineering services. And luckily I got qualified in GATE, and because of that, now I am pursuing my MTech also. So when I think what should I do in future, then I got little bit understand about. Sir, actually this is my first day, so I'm little bit nervous also. But I will try. I will try my best. So first of all, I want to uh, be settled, and in which field I will live, I want to give my 100% in that field. And with that, I want to be a good human being and a helping nature like you, so that I can also help somebody if I will be on that uh, on that stage. And if you talk about that, what differences comes in me in 10 years, then I want to say that before 10 years I have so many dreams. That time I had little bit idea about the singing, dancing, so I thought, what should I do? I was confused that time, but now I have one idea and one dream, that I have to become an engineer, and I uh, done it. And with that, I want to do good in my department where I will live. Yeah, sir. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ravindra. So now it's time to feedback session. Okay, so everyone waiting for a feedback on this session, especially I am. So now over to Mr. Prakash sir for feedback session, sir. Now after Prakash sir, Sara, be ready for thankful speech.
Yeah. So for last, I want to say, Ravindra, thank you very much for joining us, and keep coming on this platform to practice your English. And I like your personal thoughts. And let's say something about our today's anchor. What's your opinion about today's anchor?
Very good, sir.
Okay, very good.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Yeah, he has done well.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I use some identical word for all of you, so if you don't like, so please sorry me.
No, that was quite interesting.
I also want to give.
It makes
It's
them
your
interesting.
Okay, now at last I would like to invite Sara, because she has done marvelous job today as a timekeeper, and we have 1 minute left. So I would like to invite Sara for thankful speech.
Yes, sir. Today is a very different topic, and it is a very different topic, and it is a very interesting topic. And I first thank to Pankaj because he is an anchor and he's doing well. And then I talk to all the judges. He do very well, and they advise to all participants did a mistake and who doing well. And a special thanks to you, Prakash sir, who start this platform, and you give a chance to make us making English better, and we all learn English. This platform is not only learn English, but we earn extra knowledge from here. So thank you, sir.
Okay, so again, thank you very much for joining this session, and keep coming to this platform to practice your English. Really, I personally enjoyed a lot with you, and I'm so lucky because I have so many good friends from all over India, not only in India, but in abroad also. I have good friends. So thank you very much for giving me this type of opportunity to connect